Hello, friends. My name is Vinay, the licensed immigration advisor from Immigration Law Advice New Zealand. Welcome to our very first introduction video. In this video, we would like to cover who we are, what services we provide, what is the point of difference, and why this platform. Let me start with who we are. We are licensed immigration advisors, licensed from Immigration Advisor Authority, and education consultant based in New Zealand. Uh, what services we provide? We can divide our services into three segment. Number one is migration services, New Zealand visa services. We advise for all type of New Zealand visa, be it permanent resident visa, visitor visa, work visa, and other miscellaneous services with regards to any Section 61 request, reconsideration, and any other business related visas. Our second service is with regards to education services. We help students who are offshore anywhere in the world or in New Zealand to find them an appropriate right program in New Zealand and help them with their study visa. We have tie ups with several education providers, universities, ITPs, and private schools to help them finding a right course. The third services we provide is the employer services, where we deal with employers uh, to help them with their potential employees who are migrants or their existing employees for the extension of their work visa. And we can provide uh, any kind of advisory services with regards to migration to the employers or for any business visas. Now, what is our point of difference? As a licensed advisor, of course, we have two licensed advisors on board, and we have several education consultants all around the globe, especially in Southeast Asia and South Asia. Uh, both the licensed advisor on board, myself, as well as other advisor Babita. We are both studied in New Zealand. We have, being migrants ourselves, we came here as a student, went through this process. So, of course, if we talk about the migration services, we can definitely relate to the potential migrants or the people who are already in New Zealand looking for their further visa options. For the education services, well, we studied here, uh, so we understand the challenges of a international student when they're looking for options, spending, huge amount of money for this fee as well as living. Uh, and moreover, myself, I've worked in the education industry for more than 8 years, working as an international marketing manager for one of the government education provider, and recruiting students from Southeast Asia and South Asia. So of course the understanding of the education industry is that's there. And I think as a point of difference, we can of course relating with the client, but then understand the how the education can be related to your further stay back option, be it short term just for for studies and just travel the country for few months, or studies and getting some work experience for few years, or studies and looking to stay in the country for long term or for permanent. So we understand the education as well as the migration side of it. Now, the fourth point which we wanted to cover in this introduction video, why this platform. Of course, we would like to highlight about all the changes in the migration area. It's a really dynamic industry. So if there's any change, we would like to, uh, for the benefit of our viewers or the potential migrants, uh, what changes are coming to updating on that. And rather, we would like to hear from you all that what kind of topics you would like to cover and, discuss. And we would try our best to bring the video on those topics to get you some more information. And of course, with the education services, we would like to talk about the careers. We would like to talk about how those careers lead into job. Like, there are some qualifications which are more job oriented than others. But then, we'll would like to hear from you what particular area or career or qualification you would like to know more about, and how that qualification can help you in short run or long run with your career, as well as if you have the aspiration of staying in New Zealand for short, mid, or long term. Well, we would like to provide the information on our video very simple, or I would say ABS, accurate, brief, and simple. So it is easily understandable. Well, we would like to hear from you and look forward to provide more information and content to help you with your migration and education needs. Bye for now. Cheers.